Welcome to 8th class. I am discussing with you exponents and powers. We are in exercise 4.1, ninth question. Once you can read it question. If m is equal 3 and n is equal 2, find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. See, it is the just substitution method. See, wherever m is there, you can substitute m is equal to 3. Next, n is equal to 2. Very easy questions. These are all. See here, 9. M value how much? Here 3. You can substitute here. 3 whole square minus 10 into n value how much? 2. You can just substitute only. 2 whole cube. Now you can see here. Implies 9 into 3 square how much? 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. I am writing 9 minus 10 into 2 cube. 2 cube means you know that 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. I am writing directly instead of writing 2 into 2 into 2. Now you can see here 9 9 ja 81 minus 10 8 ja 80. That means your answer is 81 minus 80. 1 is your answer. Very simple. Just substitute the m value as m 3, n value as 2. Now you can see one more. 2m square into n square. 2m square into n square. I am writing 2m square into n square is equal 2 into m value how much? 3 only. I am writing 3 whole square into n value how much? 2. I am writing here 2 square. That means here 2 into 3 square how much? 3 into 3 9 only. Here 2 square how much? 2 2 ja 4. Next here 2 9 ja how much? 80 into 4. That means 8 in 4 ja how much? 72. That is your answer is 2m square n square is equal 72 when m is equal 3, n is equal 2. For example, they will give some more numbers. Here 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. Already we know that m is equal 3 and n is equal 2. Now I am writing, you can see there, here 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n is equals 2 into m value how much? 3. I am just substituting here 3 cube plus 3 into n value how much? 2. You can write here 2 square minus 5 into m value 3. 3 square into n value how much? 2 only is equals 2 into 3 cube. Already you know 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. I am writing once again. Why? Because if there any confusion, you will do easily. 3 into 2 square how much? 2 into 2 minus 5 into 3 square how much? 9. Already you know, but I am writing once again for your clarification. Here see 2 into 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 plus 3 into 2 2 ja how much? 4 minus 5 into 3 3 ja 9 only into 2. That means 2 into 27 how much? 54. That means 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 54 plus 3 4 ja how much? 12 minus 5 2 ja 10, 10 9 ja 90. Otherwise you can do 5 9 ja 45, 45 2 ja 90. You can do any way, you will get 90 is your answer. Now you can see 54 plus 12 how much? 2 plus 4. Here 6, 5 plus 1 6, 66 minus 90. 66 minus 90. 66 minus 90. Which is the biggest number? 90. 90 is having negative symbol. That means your answer will become negative. Now you can subtract smallest number from biggest. 90 minus 66. How much? Here 90 minus 66. 10 minus 6. Here 4. I am 10 carry here. 8 minus 6. Here 2. That means your answer is minus 24. Minus 24 is the answer of 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. Now you can see one more. See here one more question. That is m power n minus n power m. But already you know that m is equal 3, n is equal 2. Just substitute these values in this. M power n minus n power m is equal. M value how much? You can see here 3. 3 power n value how much? 2. You can write. That means 3 power 2 minus what is the n value? 2. Just substitute. If you are substituting correctly, you will get answer automatically. M value how much? 3. That means 3 square how much? 3 3 ja 9 minus 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. That means 9 minus 8 you will get answer as 1 only. That means m power n minus n power m is equal to 1 is your answer. Now 10th question once you can see here. Simplify and give reasons. 4 by 7 whole power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. First I am writing the question. The solution is 4 by 7 whole power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. First we have to know the exponents are negative. Exponents are negative. To convert exponents negative into positive, we have one formula. What is that formula? See here. A by B whole power minus m. A by B whole power minus m is equal. Just write the reciprocal of the A by B. What is the reciprocal of A by B? B by A. B by A. This minus m will become plus m. That is the only formula. See, to change the fractions, the numerator will become denominator. Denominator will become numerator. This is the reciprocal of a fraction. See here, in the similar way, a by b will become b by a. That means 4 by 7 will become here 7 by 4. 7 by 4 whole power 5 into. In the similar way, 7 by 4 will become 4 by 7 whole power minus 7 will become plus 7. Is it okay? In the similar way, one more formula you have. See, a by b whole power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Yes or no? See, once here, a by b whole power m is equal a to the power m by b to the power m. In the similar way, can I write here 7 to the power 5 by 4 to the power 5 into, here also 4 to the power 7. 4 to the power 7 by 7 to the power 7. Next, see here I am grouping together similar term 5 because here 7 power 5, here 7 power 7. That means I am writing same terms together 7 power 5 by 7 power 7 into here 4 power 7. 4 power 7 by 4 power 5. Then you have one more formula. See, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m minus n. Here one condition is there. M is greater than n. If m is greater than n. Now you can see 4 to the power 7, 4 to the power 5. See, exponent is here m. Is 7 is greater than 5 or not? Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So you can apply this formula here. See, one more formula here. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal, we can write here 1 by a to the power n minus m. A to the power n minus m, here n is greater than m. If n is greater than m. This formula you can apply for this one. Now you can see here. That means here 1 by 7 power 7 minus 5. See, both the bases are same, 7, 7. Exponents are different. That means I am writing 7 power 7 minus 5 into here 4 power 7 by 4 power 5. I will write here 4 power 7 minus 5. See, this formula is I am applying to this one. In the next way, this formula I am applying to this one. Just you can see and observe. Very easy. Now you can see 1 by 7 power 7 minus 5 how much? 7 square. Here 7 power 2 into 4 power 7 minus 5 how much? You'll get 2. That means 1 into 4 square only. 4 square by 7 square. That means 4 square how much? 16. 7 square how much? 49. That means 16 by 49 is your answer. Thank you.